In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the Gumloop web app. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to explore new possibilities, we'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring you're comfortable every step of the way. First, let's begin by signing up for the Gumloop web app. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gumloop website. Once you're there, look for the sign up button, which is usually strategically placed on the home page for easy access. This will prompt you to enter some basic information. You'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password. Remember, a strong password typically includes a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special symbols. Once you've filled in your details, proceed to create your account. Shortly after, you'll likely receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox and sometimes your spam folder to verify your account. Now that you're all set up, let's delve into the heart of Gumloop, the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by an intuitive dashboard which is designed to give you a bird's eye view of everything you can do within the app. Take a moment to explore the various sections. You'll notice different templates available to jumpstart your projects. These templates are crafted to cater to various needs, providing a fantastic starting point if you're unsure where to begin. Spend a little time exploring these templates to get a feel for what's possible. Before diving too deep, it's beneficial to gain a good grasp of the app's basics. To help with that, Gumloop offers a series of starter tutorials. These tutorials are tailored to get you up and running without feeling overwhelmed. Look for the tutorial section or help center in the app. Here, you'll find easy-to-follow guides that explain fundamental concepts and functionalities. As you go through them, pay attention to how different features interlink and the best practices shared. With a firmer understanding of the basics under your belt, it's time to apply what you've learned. Practicing is key, and building simple automations is an excellent way to solidify your skills. Start by choosing a straightforward process you'd like to automate. This could be something as simple as organizing tasks or setting up reminders. Use the templates and tools offered by Gumloop, and don't hesitate to revisit the tutorials if you need a refresher. Experiment with building these automations, tweaking them as needed, and observe how they enhance your workflow. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Gumloop and leveraging its full potential to streamline your tasks efficiently. Enjoy the learning process and happy automating.